On the off chance that you're searching for Cardano cost expectations, figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to really know where the costs of Cardano will go from now on, we will especially break down the in every way that really matters past costs of Cardano, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. Kindly remember that you really want to take this forecast and each kind of other expectation with the aim that this in a real sense is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unimaginable in an unpretentious manner. However, we will make an honest effort, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. We should begin. Cardano exceptionally past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Cardano certainly is 35 cents, and ADA certainly is as of now in a real sense position number 7 in the really whole crypto environment in an unobtrusive manner. The core supply of Cardano sort of is 34,730,982,329 with a market cap of $12,220,338,136. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every way that really matters has been generally diminished by 0.7% in its ongoing worth, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down. From most recent 7 days, the ADA explicitly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.22% in an unpretentious manner. Cardano has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA diminished by 11.080%. Wiping out an incredible normal amount of 4 cents from its ongoing worth in a huge manner. This unexpected down implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent purchase and open door for fast venture. The 90 days cost change is around 12.61%, and the cost flowed from a base really normal cost of 31 cents to pretty most extreme normal cost of 32 cents in the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months, Cardano has shown a developing pattern. Consequently, we imagine that comparative pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Cardano in every way that really matters is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, or so they thought. The coin is up by 11.38%, with the most extreme truly normal cost of the coin in every practical sense was around 37 cents, and the genuinely least typical value of was around 34 cents in beyond 4 months. We anticipate future Cardano cost expectations. A DIA conjecture by applying especially profound man-made consciousness helps specialized investigation on the past value information of Cardano. We do our kind of the best to commonly gather greatest verifiable information for the ADA coin, which generally incorporates sort of various boundaries like pretty past value, Cardano market cap, Cardano volume, and kind of not many more. On the off chance that you are looking to fundamentally put resources into computerized digital currencies and need very great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecast. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to really reach at least worth of 45 cents in 2023, or so they fundamentally thought. The Cardano cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of 51 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 46 cents all through 2023. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. Cardano cost generally is figured to, in every practical sense, arrive at a sort of the most minimal conceivable degree of 66 cents in 2024. Amazingly, according to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a greatest especially conceivable degree of 79 cents, with the really normal conjecture cost of 68 cents in an unpretentious manner. In opposition to prevalent thinking, ADA value gauge for 2025 according to the estimate and specialized examination. In 2025, the cost of Cardano is supposed to reach at least value worth of 94 cents. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.13, with the sort of typical worth of 98 cents in a significant manner. Cardano Value Forecast 2026. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to basically reach at least degree of $1.40 in 2026. The Cardano cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.66, with the typical cost of $1.43 all through 2026. Or so they thought. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2027 the cost of Cardano really is anticipated to generally reach at the very least degree of $2.03. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2.36, with the typical exchanging cost of $2.08. In an all things considered, enormous way. Cardano Value Expectation 2028 Cardano cost in every practical sense is conjecture to arrive at an essentially the least truly conceivable degree of $2.95 in 2028 in an unpretentious manner. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could truly arrive at an in every practical sense greatest conceivable degree of $3.49 with the typical estimate cost of $3.06. Cardano Value Expectation 2029 as per our truly profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA. In 2029, the cost of Cardano in a real sense is estimated to essentially be at around a base worth of $4.29, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The Cardano value worth can arrive at a for the most part limit of $5.12 with the typical exchanging worth of $4.44 in USD. Cardano Value Conjecture 2030 as per our exceptionally profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA. In 2030, the cost of Cardano is explicitly anticipated to reach at a sort of least degree of $6.29, which in every practical sense is very critical. The ADA cost can arrive at a really greatest degree of $7.53 with the typical exchanging cost of $6.52. In an unobtrusive manner, Cardano Value Expectation 2031 the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $9.21 in 2031. The Cardano cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $10.80 with the typical exchanging cost of $9.47 all through 2031, which is genuinely huge. Cardano Value Forecast 2032 the cost of one Cardano is supposed to reach at least degree of $13.01 in 2032, in spite of prevalent thinking. The ADA cost can in every practical sense arrive at an especially greatest degree of $15.87 with the typical cost of $13.49 all through 2032, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. What amount will Cardano be extremely worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Cardano will have a base cost of $2.36 and an exceptionally most extreme cost of $2.03 per ADA incredibly. Since Cardano sort of is exchanged on an organic market premise, its worth varies radically in an unpretentious way. What will in every practical sense be the ADA most noteworthy gauge cost for 2023? The ADA cost generally is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of 51 cents toward the finish of 2023. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano for the most part is exchanging at 35 cents with a market cap of $12,220,338,136. Is Cardano a genuinely wise interest in an unobtrusive way? Cardano's esteem is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will in general certainly energize cost rise. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any venture, only in every practical sense. Put resources into what you can sort of achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and direct the greatest exploration conceivable. What is the fate of Cardano? The fate of Cardano sort of is profoundly really subject to the genuinely generally speaking presentation of the crypto business.